Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about green calcite, the Stone of Renewal. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And today we'll be doing that with green calcite, the Stone of Renewal. And today we continue our journey through the calcite family. We've talked about white, blue, honey, manganese, and there are so many colors of calcite. And while they all share the same base supportive properties, each one of them has its own unique signature. So having an entire collection of all of the calcite colors is a really wonderful addition to your crystal wisdom collection. So just a quick note, if you've been watching my videos, you find them useful and you haven't yet subscribed, please do. I post 4 videos a week about how you can use crystals and gemstones to improve your everyday life. So green calcite, it's this gorgeous, like light apple green gemstone. One of the lightest green gemstones that I've seen. And the first benefit of working with green calcite is that it's extremely cleansing for the heart. All members of the calcite family are very, very cleansing. They all help to refresh and renew some aspect of your life. Green calcite is all about the heart, all about the heart chakra, all about heart healing. So having calcite in your room, in your home, is going to help cleanse the energy of it, the feel, the mood, and really be uplifting for you. And keeping green calcite near you is going to be very, very cleansing for the heart. It helps you feel more optimistic about love. It helps to cleanse attachments. And we'll talk about that more when we hit another point. But green calcite, extremely cleansing. The second benefit of working with green calcite is that it amplifies energies. And again, this is another one of the base properties of calcite, that it amplifies energies related to whatever color that it is. Green calcite, again, stone of the heart. It really amplifies our energies of love. So if you're finding it difficult to love, if you're finding that there's a particular person that you're having difficulties feeling compassion for, then green calcite helps us tap into our heart center, tap into our compassionate self, and reminds us about the core sympathy and empathy that we should have for other human beings. Whether we're having a minor or a major disagreement with them, we can still wish them the best. We can still hope for goodness in their life. And that is how green calcite helps in our energetic field. The third benefit of working with green calcite is that it clears our heart. It helps us release attachments in the heart. If you've had difficulty letting go of a relationship in the past, green calcite is an excellent stone to sit with regularly in meditation to help you recognize that that part of your life is over. They were important when they were in your life, but the attachment is only causing you suffering and holding you back, potentially from future really good relationships. Green calcite also helps us recover from emotional wounds. No matter how old they are, no matter how far in the past, green calcite helps us sit with those feelings without becoming overwhelmed and releasing their hold on us. Attachments to the past really prevent us from moving forward. They cause suffering as we think about them in our mind over and over again and feel those emotional wounds over and over and over again. And it's not that it's wrong for you to feel pain about something that happened to you, but we shouldn't let those situations own us and control how we function in our lives today. Green calcite really, really helps us just let go of old baggage, gives us optimism for future relationships, and helps us go into those relationships with enthusiasm and hope so that you can really give it a chance. You know, this is so good if you are afraid of being hurt again. It's so supportive, it gives you hope. And then finally, green calcite is also great if you're working through personal or relationship therapy. This is good to have with you so that you can feel this safe, protected space for heart healing. And then the fourth benefit of working with green calcite is that it helps us release old habits, beliefs, and attitudes that no longer serve us. We could have developed habits over time that helped us cope with a situation in the past. You know, perhaps I know that some situations in life I turn to comfort eating to just make me feel better, help me get through it. And when that situation was over, I kept up that habit. And I didn't need it anymore. I didn't need that comfort, but the habit was still there. And if you know that there is something that you're doing in your life kind of automatically that helped you in the past but is no longer helping you now, then meditating with green calcite, one, helps us recognize those occurrences in life, to acknowledge them, and to actively work to let go of them and release them from our lives. This also works with old belief systems, old attitudes. Like if you felt really deeply a certain way about something when you were younger and you were really adamant about it, and you've grown, you've changed your mind, and you're really afraid of acknowledging that change within you or acknowledging it out loud, sitting with green calcite is so helpful to help you realize that it's okay to change your mind. It's okay to learn from our experiences and have a different outlook on things. It really is okay. It doesn't make you wishy-washy. It doesn't make you necessarily wrong about your past beliefs. They're just different. And this happened to me with homeschooling, and I thought that I would never do that because I just didn't think that I had the patience or the skills for that. But I'm doing it now. And while it's not the easiest thing for me, I really see the benefit of it. And it took me a while to admit that this is good for our family. Green calcite can help you let go of things that are creating barriers in your life. Green calcite It helps to refresh and renew your life, to release things from the past and move forward into your life with a new optimism, a new clear way of being. And working with green calcite always feels to me like the feeling of a really good shower or stepping outside on a cool day after it's rained and you could just smell the clean, crisp air. That's what green calcite feels like for me. Thank you so much for joining me today to talk about green calcite, the stone of renewal, to help renew aspects of our lives, to renew our heart. And if you feel that green calcite is a stone that you would like to work with some more, then in 2 days, I'll be posting a guided meditation with green calcite. You don't need a piece of the stone to benefit from the guided meditation, but if anything in this video or in the guided meditation really feels familiar to you, then that is a sign that you should get some green calcite and work with it some more. If you are new to the channel, I talk about a new gemstone and how it can help your life, like right now. I talk about a new one every single week. So if you are interested in doing an in-depth study on how the different crystals and gemstones can help you, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single one. Thank you so much, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.